It's Chantel with Wild Berry Quilting, and I've got a sew sampler box today. I feel like I'm always the last person to get my box. Everybody else has opened theirs up already. Hopefully a few of you still enjoy watching me open it. Ooh, it's so hard not to watch the other videos so that I still get a surprise. It's called Rustic Autumn. I love those leaves. They're so pretty. Okay, so on the back, they always give us a coupon code, and this one is 20% off Olfa products. And it looks like there's also, so they also have a quilt pattern that we can download. So that's really cool. It's kind of lattice-like. It's pretty. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so this is opened, but it doesn't look like it's leaking or anything. It's just the packaging split. And it's very dusty. It says Easy Press Pen. I think I've seen these on someone else's video where they were, I forget whose video it was, but now I'm not sure whether she just used it on pressing when something was being particularly stubborn, or whether it was that you could use this to press without an iron. I guess I could look at the directions and see what it says. It says press on the pen nib to prime the Easy Pen. Wait 5 to 10 seconds and press in an up and down motion with your iron. So I guess you do use your iron with this. You would just use it on like really stubborn seams that aren't wanting to lay flat. So that's really cool. I get my stuff pretty flat already, so I'm not sure that I'm going to need this very much, but there are always those stubborn seams. So I'll set this aside and maybe I'll be grateful for it at some point. I have been curious to try it though. Gonna set this aside. We don't want any spoilers. And oh, we've got our Olfa blade. This must be why we have a % off coupon for Olfa this month. And it is the Endurance. It cuts 2 times as long. It looks like it's just a single blade, I think. Yeah, ×1. So just 1 blade in there. And I'm going to save the fabric for last. Okay. So I've got this. Looks like one of those little, it's kind of like a little bowl is what it makes, but it's flat. And what you do is you snap together the sides. I've seen these before. Ooh, that's really hard to snap though. Wow, that one's really difficult to snap. Okay, let's come back to that corner. I've seen these before. Yeah, that was easy. And people love them. They seem to work really well. I don't know. I like to collect the little glass vintage bowls. Oh, there we go. It snapped that time. I must have just been pressing on it wrong. But this is really cute, and I could see this being very useful when maybe you're putting it on the side of your table to collect your quilty clips or something, and you don't want it to get knocked down because a little glass container could very easily get broken. This would also be good for travel. And oh, the pattern. The pattern's so pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. It's called Grove. And it is 64.5 by 66.5. That is just so cute. It's great for fall and for winter, I think. Very, very transitional. I love that. And it, yep, all piecing. That's what I was thinking. Doesn't look that difficult either, looking at the instructions. And our block of the month is anemone. That's pretty. I love all of the ones from this particular year's block of the month. I think they are so beautiful. And the fabric, yay! I've got Dawn on the Prairie by Fancy That. And it's very, very fall. Definitely where it's transitional, like what's on the pattern. In fact, yep, it's made up with that one. I think they usually do that with Fat Quarter Shop. All right, let's take a look at some of these. I really like this one. That's beautiful. And I pulled too many. Oh, it's kind of like a little cross stitch pattern. See if I can get the camera to focus on that. Very cute. Little flowers. Oh, I love this. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. I love that. A little check. Actually, it's not just a little check. It's like cross stitch check. That's cool. This beautiful brown floral. Oh, this is pretty. I like this. And it's very pretty kind of greenish color. Oh, my daughter's going to love this one. This is like her favorite color, this sage green. Oh, that's pretty. Kind of looks like suns if you could turn it that way. That's beautiful. Another one of these florals. Oh, and pink. I like that one a lot. It's like a western kind of a pink floral. Oh, I love this orangey color. That's beautiful too. Get it to focus on there. Another beautiful floral. Oh, there's that wheat one again. I just love the look of wheat. I don't know what it is. So beautiful. Oh, and we've got that sun again in a very pretty mustard color. Ooh, and then we've got like an army green kind of color. Oh, and this one all looks like cross stitch flowers. It's very cool. And then this lighter brown again. And then the last one. Very pretty. I love this line. That's beautiful. And I am definitely going to have to make that house quilt with it. I think definitely. Yep. It looks like we need, of course, our jelly roll or junior jelly roll. And we're going to need 3 1/4 of this bluish background fabric and 1 1/8 of front of the houses and then our binding. So not bad. That'll be easy to gather and not too much to do. I'm definitely going to have to do this one maybe in a future sew along. We'll have to see. If you enjoyed this, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.